Hey guys, Carl with MarineMax Panama City Beach. Very excited to show you this fresh trade we just brought in. 2023 Grady-White 326 Canyon. Very low hours, beautiful boat, very well outfitted. You're gonna love it. Comes in the sea glass green color, painted underneath T-top to match. Beautiful shape all the way around. Let's jump on board and take a look at it. All right guys, starting in the bow of this 326, bow filler cushion. Got all your cushions up front for a nice lounge area. Of course, you take that off, you've got yourself a very nice casting platform as well. Windlass controls up front, windlass anchor locker up front, Fusion radio speakers back. You get your nice bow seating facing forward here in front of the helm. Again, as you want to see, everything in beautiful condition. Boat was very well maintained for the short time the owner had it. Moving back to the helm, this boat is outfitted with twin Garmin 16-inch screens, Garmin VHF radio, and you'll have your Garmin radar as well. Autopilot, new Yamaha controls with the joystick feature, fish point, stay point, and all that entails. The 326 offers you 3 captain's chairs across, facing forward there, with your steering coming from the center captain's chair. And then as we move further, after you're going to see your rear seating, which is deployed here. You're going to have a live well, and then you're going to have your sink on your port side. Storage below for tackle, and just your stainless steel storage as well. Another live well port aft, and then you've got the fish box here at the transom. This boat is outfitted with the twin Yamaha 300s. Again, very low hours, outriggers, outfitted beautifully, ready for the water. Really a fine boat for this fishery, to get out, catch whatever fish you like. Come take a look at it. My name's Carl at MarineMax. My cell phone number 334-695-6035. I'd love to show it to you.